Alright guys, in this super quick video, I'm going to show you the projected path for BTC to hit up to all-time high and beyond. I'm going to show you my target real quick. We're also going to really analyze smaller time frame because I do think more downside is coming. How far down? I'm going to show you in this video before we actually get this pump towards all-time high. Ethereum's looking nice too. I really want to long the shit out of Ethereum. I'm not going to lie. Stick around. Stick with me. Guys, this is Elliott Wave Theory. I'm going to zoom out real quick and just show you the big picture. This is on the daily time frame. And I'm just essentially looking for this wave 5 right here to finish up. My target is up for some, just a quick break of the high, something like 120K looks good to me. I'm not going to go into details with the bigger picture stuff. Just know that this is the final wave 5 that I'm looking to take a ride up on. And essentially, on a more major degree, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th of the 5th. I'm looking at an extended bear market coming after we have this one last hoorah. I think Ethereum's going to pump a lot harder than BTC. BTC already had its big pump. But that's neither here nor there. I just wanted to zoom out and show you guys what I'm actually detailing here as we go pipe in smaller time frame. And if you guys are confused on Elliott Wave Theory, or if you think it don't work, I think you're absolutely crazy. I would be lost without Elliott. It's the foundation of all of my trading. If you guys want to learn Elliott Wave Theory, there's a free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. This is a free Discord. There's a free Elliott Wave trading course right here I put together for you guys. It's just videos, like 3 hours long. Go take it, learn it, and why not? It's free. And then once you're in the free Discord, check out the premium Discord if you're interested. There's a 4-day free trial there as well, where you learn how to actually implement that stuff. Now, as we go in smaller time frame on the BTC chart, I did post an alert for the premium members here yesterday before the Super Bowl. We were looking at this flat playing out and then more downside, which is what I'm going to go over here today in my downside targets. This was kind of the preparation for that, and then here's the actual trade when we got that follow through to the downside, taking the long. Yes, guys, I did long Bitcoin. I know it's crazy, right? Everyone thinks I'm shorting all the time. Took this up to 97.5K, move stop loss to break even right there. So that trade did end up playing out beautifully. It looks good, and it still looks good for a flat here. I think it ended up coming up to 98.5, so we got out right around here. Got in right here, right at the low. So it ended up playing out beautifully for us yesterday. Good little weekend trade. And now we are short. I did alert them that I am short. Boom. Here we go. Here's the short. And we're looking to take this down. How far down? Let's go over it. So looking at this being a WXY, this is my first. There's other scenarios and other situations in this mess that can play out. But my first, my primary scenario is a correction down, correction up, looking for another correction down, the Y leg of our WXY. WXYs are corrective in all legs. W, we have a correction. X, we have a correction. Y, we have a correction. All right. But overall, it's just a zigzag shape, a corrective structure. Looking to take this down to, I'll show you my targets right now, guys. So essentially, I'm looking at this being an A, B, C correction, impulse, correction, impulse. And I'm just going to pull fibs on this right now. The 1-to-1 comes in right here at about 93K, 93.2K, right? So if I get rid of this and I just measure a WXY, if I measure the fib measurements here on the W wave, you can see the 1-to-1 comes in nicely around the same level, right? So it's going to be a very important target, important level for me. There are lower targets, guys. This can come lower. I'm not saying it can't, but I'm really going to be eyeing up like the 93.5K level, maybe a quick break of this low. And then, hey, good potential to go off to the races here, guys. Good potential to go off to the races and put in an actual monster wave. Guys, we're going to skip over to Ethereum because the potential for this wave is nothing compared to what Ethereum is fixing to do. We're going to go over some Ethereum trade setups right now. Bear with me just 1 second. If you guys are looking to trade this stuff, we trade over on Blowfin. Right now, Blowfin's actually having this tournament. There's a $5.6 million prize pool. You got 2 days to register. So once you sign up for Blowfin, make sure you register for the Ace Trades tournament. prize pool is insane. We also trade over on BitUnix. I trade on BitUnix because they have lower fees as well. My main exchange is Blowfin, guys. Don't get it twisted. I trust them the most. They are the smoothest exchange, the smoothest platform for me. I can put my trades in, get in and out as quick as possible, no BS. But BitUnix I promote because they have lower fees for you guys as well. Both of these are no KYC. So you just sign up with your email, available globally. Pinned in the first comment down below are the deposit and trading volume bonuses that you get using the Chart Junkies link. The bonuses are crazy right now. You guys know I always hook it up with the best promotions because I annoy the hell out of these exchanges for the best promotions. Blowfin, you get 10% cash back. You can do that all the way up to a $3,000 cash back for the 10%. And then you can trade all the way up to $9,400 in USDT airdrops. So you get trading volume bonuses and deposit bonuses. BitUnix, trading volume bonus, deposit bonus, and VIP2, which is 15% off their trading fees by using the link below. Check out both of them. I trade on both of them. I encourage you to trade on 2 exchanges anyways. Okay. Let's see here. So we're going to go over Ethereum real quick. What I'm looking at Ethereum is a WXYXZ. I can make this work really well where we have a correction down W, correction up X, correction down Y, correction up X, flat correction Z. Targets for this, I'm honestly just going to pull right here and target the 1618 box. I really like this level right here. Really like this level. Around 2400. And then Ethereum, zooming out on this chart, has potential, keyword potential, for a serious push to the upside. I'm looking at this entire structure as a flat boom right there. Pulling fibs on this, I mean, look out. If you are able to hop into a long, I really want to see all-time high taken out. I don't know if this chart has enough history. It does. Really want to see all-time high taken out. So I'd be targeting, you know, the 1618 box. Comes in around $5,000 for Ethereum. Would love to see this hold. Would love to see this get tapped maybe. You know, maybe we get an overthrow here, guys. But either way, I'm looking at an ending diagonal situation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 1618 box. Could get a slight overthrow. 5,500. Somewhere up in here. I mean, that looks good. But the potential for Ethereum to absolutely pump, it's there. It's right there on the charts, guys. I love the potential. Nothing is 100%. Nothing is certain in trading, that's for sure. But, you know, in my opinion, it's a shot you gotta take and, you know, to try to be a part of. Like Michael Jordan said, you miss every shot you don't take. Or it was Michael Scott or somebody. All right, so this is Ethereum looking for a dump down to around 2,400, and then we'll be looking long on Ethereum. BTC is looking nice. We'll see if this holds. We'll see if we can come down to 93.5K on BTC, and then we'll be looking long. As of right now, guys, I can only do so much with these videos. Make sure you're in the premium Discord to stay up to date with all of my trades as I put them in, how I'm servicing them, what I'm seeing on the charts, constant updates, plus much more. We just got done with a huge live stream today. We'll see you over there. Subscribe to the damn channel. Trade safe, everyone. Love you.